Okay, we will not create the whole environment ourselves. We will look what's available. We will search for the assets in the Polyheaven. Needless to say that it's the best source of the assets in the web. So, on Polyheaven you can either download single asset or collection, and the last one is better for me. It's very comfortable that the collections have the previews where you can already understand what you'll get. The collections are also coming with the light and HDRI as well as geometry nodes. So it's basically fully functional asset that you can use for your work. And it's editable, so whenever you will download the collection, you can edit it as you want. If you're good, then simply download the collection. Be patient, it will take its time for sure. When it's done, load the file to Blender and wait a bit more. When it's in the scene, check the render settings. Sometimes it's set to CPU and it makes things way slower. If you have a good GPU, set it to GPU mode. By default, you'll also have the light, but you might want to change it. You can also investigate if the scene has geonodes. Sometimes you would like to edit them to have a better creative control. Now we need to transfer the scene to the drone scene or vice versa, doesn't really matter. You can now check how your animation is looking with the environment and fix where you need it. For example, I would like my drone to move from the camera so it will hide behind the rocks. Always do the playblast to check the real speed and flow of the animation, because in the viewport it might be that you will not get your 24 or 25 FPS depending on what you are working with. You can also change the light. So for example, you can add the sun or change the HDRI and its rotation. If you have doubts about the light, please find or generate the image with the light you want, like a mood board. It will help you a lot to get a better result, believe me. To make things faster in the viewport, you could use pixel size. Basically, it reduces the resolution by your value. Keep in mind that the settings are not influencing your render resolution, so in the render resolution you will still have your full scale resolution. Also, regarding the light, keep in mind that you are in the CG space and you have the full control over it. So this means you can fake light, and you can fake it in the way that it will follow your creative decision. Use any types of lights and sources to get your light. Cinematographers always fake the light to make the image look great. If you're happy with the result, you can render some frames just to look at the final quality. Do not render all of them, do not render the whole animation as it will take a lot of time, but render some of them. If you're happy with them, then you can render the whole animation entirely. And after it's done, we need a very tiny compositing to make, because our video needs it. Just follow what you see in the video. This is a very simple, I think one of the most simplest compositing you ever saw, but it will help your video to look more cinematic. And basically that's it. I really hoped you enjoyed, or at least you learned something, or at least you saw something. That's also good. Do not stop somewhere in the middle. Always try to do things till the very end whenever you are happy. But also there is one thing. Done is better than perfect. Do not go crazy, especially if it's, let's say, your first work and you do not know many things. Try to learn while you do things, try to do mistakes, and try to success with this. And this is all about Blender. It gives you this possibility to make the mistakes. Save files, name files, do not afraid to lose something. You will not, because this is Blender. It keeps your projects very safe. It was nice to see you guys, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Cheers!